Hi, it's Elle from BoostNote. This tutorial is about how to invite guests to your document. Guests are external people who you want to work with, and they can access and edit only the document you send the invitation, but not an entire workspace. If you want to work with someone outside the team in a specific document, this feature would be helpful for you. Alright, let's get started. To invite a guest, you need to open the right side menu in your document. Click this angle icon on the top right corner, and you will see the guest section. If you haven't upgraded your plan, you need to upgrade it first. But if you did it already, you will see invite button. Once you click the invite button, you will see this model. Each team members can have 3 guest seats. That means if they have 3 team members, they can invite 9 guests per document. Your invited guests will get an invitation email from BoostNote, and they can start working with you. Here is the example of the guests page. They will see the only features they need to have while working with you, but cannot access the entire workspace and also admin settings. If you want to manage the guests, you can either come back to the guest section or open the settings, go to the members, and then click Guest tab. Thanks for watching this video, and please make sure to thumbs up if you like it or found it helpful even a bit. Let us know what kind of tutorials you want to watch in your videos, and we will post regarding that as much as we can. And last but not least, if you found anything inconvenient or good ideas to improve the product, feel free to send us issues and pull requests on GitHub. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one, and have an awesome day. Bye!